What is up? Today we got my friend Paul. We're about to do this coilover install on his S2000.
What up?
We got these TEINs.
Straight from Japan.
Got this little.
The Flex Z's, good entry level coilover.
No wheels yet.
Yep. No wheels just yet. They'll be coming in soon.
They're coming.
From Japan.
Looks good. So first we got to set preload on these coilovers. I just looked online, and what I got was about 6 turns is a good amount of preload for the springs. I don't know if these come preloaded or not, so we're just gonna go ahead and set it at that, and then kind of try to do a step-by-step on this install. So basically, to set the preload, you're gonna loosen this basically that lock ring right there, and we're gonna loosen this until there's no tension on the spring. And then once we're at that point, we're gonna tighten it just until the spring's not loose anymore. And then do 6 full turns and then lock down that ring, and then your preload should be set. So basically, if you see right here, you can get a close-up of that.
Yeah.
Now this spring has no tension on it. So basically, this is for setting preload.
Yeah.
Just tighten this literally. That's the lock ring. Tighten this one by hand until, see how there's no more rattle? Mm-hmm. And then so at this point we're gonna go 6 more turns. On the ground. Alright, how to remove front coilover. Got it all figured out. These two, remove them. They're 14s.
14?
You can do that first. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
The bottom bolt, we already had in the other clip. 17 mil. Take that guy out. The upper control arms, there's 117 here, 117 there. Take that out. I removed 2 10 millimeters right here, holding the wheel speed sensor cable, and a 13 mil holding the brake line, and that's it. Pull
control arm
the whole
out.
assembly. Make sure you're not tugging too hard on the brake line or this cable, obviously. Kind of hold this in place. Pull this fork off the bottom right here. Pull it forward and just
comes right the fuck out.
So it's not too bad. And then putting them in is just gonna be the reverse. Same thing. So we might do a time lapse of that.
Okay. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. All right, we got some brand new front coilovers on this S2000. All right, so on the rear, the top's the same exact thing. It's 14 millimeters. There's 2 holding it in. You gotta remove some trim. And you can see the tower back here. It's the same thing on this side. It's a little more annoying, but yeah, it's the same idea. 2 14s.
So Chase, the rears are a lot faster to do.
The rears are super easy.
Yeah.
So, and then it's just this 17 mil bolt at the bottom. That's literally it. It'll just slide right out. Put the new one in, bolt the 2 14s, and then bolt your 17 and you're good.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, so do it. This one's 17 mil.
Yep, 17.
I'm putting this screwdriver in here just to basically pry it up, just like we did on the front. I'm prying it up because this suspension is going to want to catch. So. That's how you install coilovers on a S2000.
My man, love you, bro.
It was a lot easier than I thought. That didn't take that long, so it's pretty nice.